Corcovado National Park, located in Costa Rica, is a stunning natural wonder that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich biodiversity, Corcovado offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Capturing Corcovado National Park from the air, the drone allows travelers to appreciate its vastness and diverse ecosystems from above. From cascading waterfalls to winding rivers and secluded beaches, drone footage captures the park's stunning landscapes from angles that would otherwise be inaccessible. Situated on the Osa Peninsula, Corcovado National Park is renowned for its pristine rainforests, pristine beaches, and diverse wildlife. It is home to an astonishing array of plant and animal species, including jaguars, tapirs, monkeys, and countless bird species. The park's untouched beauty provides visitors with an opportunity to immerse themselves in nature and witness the wonders of Costa Rica's ecological richness.